What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Carnival Smart Key remote fob. This Kia Carnival key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release here, this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this slot right here that emergency key slid out of. And then if we're looking at it this way, just above that, there's kind of this cutout right here that this key fits in. What I'm going to do is use this key to pop this back cover up. So I'm going to put it in that space like that, kind of position it like this. Then I'm just going to use this emergency key to kind of pry and push up on that back cover like that. Then once you get it popped up enough, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off with your hands like that. And this battery that we see right here, this will just slide out of this holder. So you can get it started with your finger, and sometimes you can push it all the way out with your finger, but sometimes you may need to take the key and just carefully push a little bit more like that. And then once we get our old battery out, we can install our new battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. Go ahead and slide it down into that holder. And then if your circuit board is moved around at all, as that one did, make sure it's sitting down back in this rubber piece like it needs to be. Then we can snap the two halves of the remote back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.